Turn your bathroom into a spa oasis with these quick and affordable tips. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and feeling like you've entered a luxurious spa retreat. With just a few simple changes, you can transform your space into a serene sanctuary where you can unwind and relax after a long day. Let's get started with some easy DIY tips that won't break the bank. First, consider upgrading your towels. Use soft, neutral-tone towels for a luxurious touch. These colors not only look elegant, but also create a calming atmosphere. Opt for high-quality plush towels that feel gentle against your skin. Roll or stack them neatly on shelves or countertops for a spa-like feel. This simple organization trick can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your bathroom. Next, switch to warm lighting and add candles for a calming glow, perfect for relaxation. Warm lighting creates a cozy and inviting ambiance, while candles add a touch of elegance and tranquility. Choose scented candles with soothing fragrances like lavender or chamomile to enhance the spa experience. Declutter with sleek storage solutions like baskets and jars for a clean, peaceful vibe. Keeping your bathroom organized and free of clutter is essential for creating a serene environment. Use stylish storage options to keep your essentials neatly tucked away. Finally, hang eucalyptus in the shower for a refreshing spa-like aroma with every steam. The natural oils released by the eucalyptus leaves will fill your bathroom with a rejuvenating scent, making your showers feel like a spa treatment. Simple changes, big results. Try these tips and subscribe for more ideas from Dreamscape Designs. With these easy DIY tips, you can create a spa-like oasis in your own home. Enjoy the tranquility and relaxation of a spa without ever leaving your house. Happy decorating!